Greetings to all. There are very few people in this world who have left a long lasting impression on fellow beings with their ideologies and perspective in life that still make an impact. One such person is Mahatma Gandhi, who was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Remembering the leader and his contribution, our young and very talented students of class 6 pay their tribute to our beloved Bapu.
Happy Gandhi Jayanti. It's day of celebrations. It's day to value a special person who is the cause of our nation, who taught the world the lesson of non-violence. It's Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Every year on October 2nd, India celebrates the birth of its iconic leader Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He has been given the title of Father of the Nation for his relentless hard work that helped India attain freedom. By remembering him on this day, celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti, we pay tribute to this great leader. Thank you.
We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October. Gandhiji was also the father of the nation. Gandhi Jayanti is National Festival of India. Children act in play and tell the story of Gandhiji.
Are you proud to be an Indian? I am proud to be an Indian because I know many things about Mahatma Gandhi. Oh no, I forgot to tell you who was Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born at 2 October at Porbandar and his parents were Putlibai and Karamchand Gandhi. And he has done a salt march, also known as the Salt Satyagraha, Dandi March or the Dandi Satyagraha was an act of non-violent civil disobedience in colonial India. It was led by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. After making salt by evaporation at Dandi, Gandhi guided youth southward, making the salt and addressing the meetings on the way. The 24-day march lasted from 12 March 1930 to 6 April 1940, which was called Navsari at that time. Now it is in state of Gujarat.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to share some quotes of Mahatma Gandhi with meaning with all of you. You must be the change you wish to see in the world, Mahatma Gandhi. Meaning, if you're not happy about anything in your world or society, be willing to change it within yourself first. Don't complain. Complaining won't let you anywhere. Nothing will change unless you change.
Principal, teachers and all my dear friends, my name is Jana Patel from class 6. Today I like to say a small speech on our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi Ji. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October all over the country. This day is celebrated the birth anniversary of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi Ji. Mahatma Gandhi Ji is also known as the father of the nation or Bapu, as acted as the father of each and every Indian and gave abundant love to them, which the father can only give to his child.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम ऋषिका है। मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाना चाहती हूँ। हाँ, मैं गांधी हूँ, लेकिन सत्ता का भूखा नहीं। देश का वफादार हूँ, स्वतंत्रता मुझे मंजूर नहीं। चाहो जो कहना है कह दो, चाहो जो कहना है कह दो। मैंने कहकर नहीं, कर कर दिखाया है। आज जो स्वतंत्र भूमि मिली है तुम्हें, कईयों ने उसे जान देकर छुड़ाया है। हाँ, मैं गांधी हूँ। आसान है गलती निकालना, आसान है गलती निकालना, तकलीफों के लिए दोस्त दे जाना। मैंने अंग्रेजों को बाहर फेंका था, तुम कूड़ा तो फेंक कर दिखाओ। हाँ, मैं गांधी हूँ। हमें स्वतंत्र भारत दिया था, हमें स्वतंत्र भारत दिया था, तुम सच भारत तो दे जाओ। ना कहो इसे गांधी जयंती,
ना कहो इसे गांधी जयंती, इसे सच भारत का आवरण चढ़ाओ। नमस्कार।
Today, I got an opportunity to speak few lines about the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. We are not lucky to see Mahatma Gandhi with our eyes, but what we have learned about Gandhiji really astonished us. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His parents were great as they inculcated the values of truth, law, and never giving up spirit in him. Discipline and self-restraint played a very important role in transforming Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to Mahatma Gandhi. I strongly believe that if we adopt the qualities of discipline and self-restraint in our life, it will take us to the great heights. Today, when the whole world is contaminated with the malice of hatred, corruption, greed, violence, the lesson from the life of Gandhiji become remarkably important. Gandhiji enlightened the world with the principles of non-violence, truth, non-stealing, fearlessness, and many more. If we understand these principles in a profound sense and try to inculcate them in our life, the world would be a heaven. If we want to make Bharat as Bapu want, we have to start now. Thank you, one and all.
Oh Father, you are the mark of truth and non-violence, always shown patience and peace.
Good morning. We all know the father of the nation means Gandhiji. He is one of the freedom fighters who liked non-violence. Today, I am going to say a small moment of his life, the value of a copper coin. The following story will illustrate one of the reasons of Gandhiji to be known as Mahatma Gandhi. Once, Gandhiji was in expedition to collect funds from various cities and villages. He went several places and finally he reached Odisha, where he gave a speech to the public to give funds for the organization. At the end of the speech, an old woman with white hairs, bended back, shrunken skin and torn clothes got up and requested volunteers to allow her to reach Gandhiji. But, however, volunteers said no. But lady did not give up so easily. She fought with them and reached Gandhiji. She touched his feet and took out a copper coin from folds of her sari and kept in Gandhiji's feet and left the stage. Gandhiji took up the coin carefully and the treasurer of the organization came and asked for the coin. But Gandhiji refused. The treasurer said, I keep check worth 1,000 and you can't believe me for a copper coin? Gandhiji said, see that lady. That lady has nothing to wear except this torn sari. And I don't think she even get enough food for her. Then also, she donated this coin. Isn't it more precious than the check worth thousands? Thank you.
Patriotic song for Gandhi Jayanti. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patit Pavan Sitaram. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patit Pavan Sitaram.
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरू नाम सबको सम्मति दे भगवान। वैष्णव जन को तेने चाहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन को तेने चाहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे। पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए मन अभिमान नाने रे।
My name is Parita and today I am going to sing a song on Mahatma Gandhi. Father of the nation, who is he? His wonderful name is Gandhi Ji. Father of the nation, who is he? His wonderful name is Gandhi Ji. A simple man, he was born. Through non-violence, freedom shown. A simple man, he was born. Through non-violence, freedom shown. Father of the nation, who is he? His wonderful name is Gandhi Ji. Father of the nation, who is he? His wonderful name is Gandhi Ji. Do not fight, keep the peace. Let's work hard, self-help please.
In a gentle way, you can shake the world.
My name is Adrit Montwani. I am in class 6A. Today I am going to present a story on Mahatma Gandhi. When Mahatma Gandhi ji were in South Africa, an incident occurred which changed their life. In South Africa, Indians were treated very badly. Indians would be called as coolie. One day Mahatma Gandhi ji were travelling in a train in first class. A European who boarded in the same compartment said, "Push out this coolie." A guard came and pushed Mahatma Gandhi ji out. Mahatma Gandhi ji stayed throughout that cold night. This incident seeded the thought of Satyagraha in his mind. Next day, when Mahatma Gandhi ji started their journey, they sat behind the coachman. But when the officer arrived, he said, "Get down and sit on that luggage." Gandhiji refused, so the officer started beating him. Passenger interfered and made Gandhiji sit behind the coachman. Following this incident, Mahatma Gandhiji called a public meeting and wished to start a committee. He brought awareness among the people. He followed Satyagraha, non-violence, and got freedom for India. Thank you.
Truth, non-violence was his tool. Truth, non-violence was his tool with which he tried to rule. Wrapped in a piece of cloth, and wearing was all his own. Walked long on country street, and brought mighty to his feet. His commitment was so deep. All the promises he would keep. Very humble with no proud. His actions speak very loud. Who says that he is dead? In our hearts he lives instead. He knew all this magical art. Will change the people's heart. Like him, let's try to become. And the generation that will come. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम ईशान है और मैं कक्षा 6 में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं आप सबको गांधी जी के जीवन की एक छोटी सी घटना बताने जा रहा हूँ, जिससे यह पता चलता है कि गांधी जी पूरे देश को एक समान दृष्टि से देखते थे, चाहे वह ऊंची जाति का हो या नीची जाति का, हिंदू हो या मुस्लिम। आइए वो घटना सुनते हैं। गांधी जी से मिलना बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा लगता था। एक दिन एक छोटा बच्चा गांधी जी की पोशाक देखकर बहुत दुखी हुआ। उसे आश्चर्य हुआ कि इतना महान आदमी कुर्ता क्यों नहीं पहनता। वह गांधी जी के पास गया और उसने पूछा, आप कुर्ता क्यों नहीं पहनते? गांधी जी बोले, मैं तो एक गरीब आदमी हूँ, मेरे पास कुर्ता खरीदने के पैसे नहीं है। वह बच्चा बोला, अब चिंता ना कीजिए, मेरी माँ आपके लिए नया कुर्ता बनाएगी। गांधी जी बोले, ठीक है, पर तुम्हारी माँ मेरे लिए कितने कुर्ते बनाएगी? वह बच्चा बोला, जितने आप चाहो। गांधी जी बोले, अगर मैं अकेला कुर्ता पहनूं ये अच्छा नहीं लगता। मेरा परिवार बहुत बड़ा है, क्या तुम्हारी माँ मेरे 40 करोड़ भाई बहनों के लिए कुर्ता बनाएगी? वो बच्चा सोच में पड़ गया और उसे आश्चर्य हुआ कि गांधी जी पूरे देश को अपना परिवार मानते थे। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम कश्वी शाह है और आज मैं आपके सामने गांधी गाथा पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जो मेरे पापा ने खुद लिखी है। सुनाती हूँ एक गाथा, ये गाथा है कमाल। जब एक लाठी के सामने तोपों का टिका रहना हुआ मुहाल, आक्रांताओं को लहू बहाए बगैर जब खदेड़ा गया हो, इतिहास में इसके जैसी ना कोई और मिसाल। सच्चाई से जिसने तोड़ा दुश्मनों के झूठ का माया जाल, प्रांतों, जातियों और मजहबों में बटे लोगों को जिसने किया एक और छिड़का उन पे एकता का गुलाल, जिसने थामना सिखाया हाथों को और पार कराया भारत को उसका अग्निकाल। जवाब मिल जाता है उनकी जिंदगी से, चाहे कितना ही कठिन हो सवाल। अपने मूल्यों और सिद्धांतों से संवारा हमारे भविष्य को, किया हमें मालामाल। 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में जन्मे हमारे राष्ट्रपिता मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, वे इंसान थे जलाल।
He lit the freedom flame. Gandhi was his name. No violence and no gun, but got the job well done. He walked the several miles to awaken the suppressed minds. Tolerance and the power he offered like a shower.
Today I am going to recite a poem on Gandhiji. He lit the freedom's flame. Gandhi was his name. No violence and no gun, but got the job well done. He walked the several miles to awaken the suppressed minds. Tolerance and the power he offered like a shower.
I offer you peace. I offer you love. I offer you friendship. I see your beauty. I hear your need. I feel your feeling. My wisdom flows to the highest source. I salute that source in you. Let us work together for unity and love.
It was vacation and I had nothing to do. I was at home and mommy daddy too. Then my glance caught a sketch of an old person. He seemed to be gentlest under the sun. Strikingly different was the expression in his eyes. And then I felt guilty of all my lies.
Teachers, I am Dolly Joshi from class 6B. Today I am going to represent a poem of Gandhiji. I offer you peace. I offer you love. I offer you friendship. I see your beauty.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a man who gave his whole life to the nation. No doubt, people refer to him as the father of the nation.
Hello everyone, my name is Raj Kothari and I am studying in 6th. I am speaking about how Mahatma Gandhi changed the face of political protests. In 1894, Natal stripped all Indians of their ability to vote. Gandhiji organized Indian resistance, fought anti-Indian legislation in courts, and led large protests against the colonial government. Along the way, he developed a public person and a philosophy of truth focused. Non-violence, non-cooperation, he called Satyagraha. Gandhiji brought Satyagraha to India in 1915 and was soon elected to the Indian National Congress political party. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pranav Warrior. I am from class 6 and today I am going to tell you a story that is based on Gandhiji's three monkeys. You all must have heard of the three monkeys that are always mentioned along with Gandhi's name. But have you heard that how these monkeys came to be with him? One day, a party of visitors came from China. Gandhiji, we have brought you a small gift that is no bigger than a child's toy, but it is famous in our country. Gandhiji's delight, it was a set of three monkeys that were later to become so well known and to be kept carefully for the rest of his life. The three monkeys are Mizaru, who sees no evil, covering his eyes; Kikazaru, who hears no evil, covering his ears; and Ibazaru, who speaks no evil, covering his mouth. The meaning ascribed to the monkeys are good speech, good mind, and good action. Thanks.
Thank you, dear students, for your impressive performances. Your days of hard work were evident in your acts. Thank you, parents, for your support and encouragement. Thank you, Principal Sir, for your constant guidance.